How to watch Hotstar in Europe, or indeed anywhere outside India. There is actually lots of really quality content available from India. Unfortunately, it's difficult to access from outside the continent. There are custom channels on cable and satellite across Europe. However, they're usually fairly limited and can be quite expensive. For the best Indian content, including sports, movies and TV, there's only one site you need, and that's definitely Hotstar. It's estimated that there's well over 50,000 hours worth of content on their website, including content in 8 different languages. However, it's not just Indian content. There's loads of the top US and UK shows too. Premiership football, Test cricket and sports from across the globe. There's even shows like Game of Thrones and Hollywood blockbusters. Unfortunately, Hotstar is blocked outside India. So how do you access from somewhere like Europe or the USA? Well, it's actually pretty easy using something called Smart DNS. Just watch this demonstration. Hi, I'm just going to show you in this quick video how you can enable Hotstar on your computer, laptop, PC, media streamer, whatever you like. Now, as you probably guessed, if you're outside India, when you try and access Hotstar, you'll get some sort of message like this here. Blah blah blah, it might be a different one, but they're all similar, just saying you can't access it basically. So what can we do about it? Well, I use a system called Smart DNS, and I use it to hide my IP address so I can watch any site I like basically. I watch Hotstar mainly for cricket, and they've got some great football on there. I don't actually speak any of the Indian languages, so I don't watch any of the Indian content, but there's loads of great stuff there. There's loads of US stuff as well, but anyway, I'll show you now. Let's just close that and I'll show you how you set up Smart DNS. Basically, this is a Windows 7 PC. You go to your network settings, network and sharing, local area connection, properties, and move down to Internet Protocol version for TCP/IP and go for properties. Now, basically, it might look complicated, but all you're trying to do is to get to the network settings. Whether it's on a media streamer or a games console, all you need to go is to find the DNS servers for that connection. And in here you put the 2 Smart DNS servers. Now I'll tell you where you can get those in a second. But basically that's the only change you do. First time you do it, it's probably best to reboot the PC. Not strictly necessary, but it'll usually work better if you do that. So I'm closing it all, and now my PC is set up. Now I'll just show you here. I can go on the Hotstar site and watch whatever I like. I was watching the England versus India second one-day international on there. I'm not going to stream it because you get copyright issues on YouTube if you start, but please take it from you would not get this far if you were outside India, which I am. I'm in the UK, and I can watch anything you like. You see there's sports, loads of things like the football from Bundesliga and different tournaments across the world. Last year it had loads of Premiership. I don't know if they've got the license for it this year, but there's loads of movies in Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, all sorts of different languages. Lots of the news is quite good as well. So where did I get this? I have to pay for a small subscription. It's 2 or 3 euros a month, I think it works out at. Called Smart DNS Proxy. It's a brilliant system. There are others, and you can also use things like VPN. But this is way easier. You basically set it up once and that's it. On that computer, every single site is unblocked. It's incredible. And as soon as you've changed the DNS servers, basically you just go to your account settings and you enable your IP address there, and that's all then it works. You would have to reset it if you changed your IP address, reboot the router or something like that. And that's all there is to it. Hotstar and Hulu, BBC, ITV, thousands of movie channels and all sorts all over the web. You can unlock them all with Smart DNS Proxy. Try the trial. It's worth it. Cheers. That's all there is to it. Just take 2 minutes to change your DNS servers plus an inexpensive subscription to a Smart DNS service. then literally thousands of online channels will be unlocked, including Hotstar. Honestly, try the free 14-day trial just to see how amazing it is. You can find it through dnsproxy.co.uk.